HWLEIC, a subsidiary under the Inspur Group umbrella, is a pioneering force in the realm of laser technology. We specialize in extensive research, development, production, and distribution of cutting-edge laser equipment, catering to the ever-evolving needs of diverse industries. Our broad range of laser solutions encompasses advanced laser cutting machines, precision laser welding machines, state-of-the-art laser cleaning devices, and cutting-edge laser marking equipment. HWLEIC stands as a cornerstone of the Shandong Province laser equipment innovation and entrepreneurship community, where our dedication is unwavering in driving innovation within the laser industry, nurturing nascent technologies, and incubating emerging sectors. Fueled by Inspur Group's expertise in digitalization and systemization, we have achieved groundbreaking strides in laser technology. Our product portfolio extends to encompass high-power laser cutting systems, comprehensive intelligent production line solutions, cloud-based storage services, and other forward-looking offerings. We are deeply committed to promoting intelligent manufacturing and delivering solutions that boost efficiency and precision across various sectors. To meet the diverse demands of customers across various fields and scenarios, we continuously expand our product range, providing practical solutions and further strengthening the entire laser plus intelligent manufacturing industry chain. At HWLEIC, our mission is to be at the forefront of laser technology advancements, empowering businesses with intelligent solutions that pave the way for a future characterized by precision, efficiency, and innovation. We are dedicated to fulfilling this mission with unwavering passion and commitment.